AMC stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this brief short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. With AMC Entertainment holdings, it's already up, well, kind of low over the last, I mean, if we count for the whole week, yes, and this is like the last couple of, like last hour of the week, and the week performance is 10% up, which is phenomenal performance. And all I can tell you is that I might retire, I might retire this bearish idea, because we can definitely see like weekly chart has broken above this structure, which is phenomenal shift. And in this particular instance, going into the next week, I'm open-minded for taking things up or buying, right? But how's that going to look like? Well, maybe I'm not just going to randomly buy. Well, I'm maybe, you know, just going to buy if the price gives me the rules. That's exactly what I'm going to do. And only if it does pull down and gives me some sort of a double break, then and only then I'm going to look to buy. Other than that, like randomly getting involved, it's not going to be happening. So what I'll keep doing in the meantime is waiting. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye.